Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about the recent movements in the cryptocurrency space. We have here Bitcoin, which is moving sideways downwards. We had a nice pump on Friday. We pumped up to 113k and then it literally got erased in around 1 hour. Everything we went down to 110 almost. Then we had a nice bounce back up to almost 112, and then again the market dropped again. So there's big manipulation happening in the market, guys. You need to be very careful so you not get shaken out, because usually we have these liquidation spikes and we have them here. We have them to the upside and to the downside. We can even see it here. We went this way, we liquidated the longs, and this way we liquidated the shorts. And as we can see, this is happening all the time. Market always moves up and down, so we need to be very, very careful with our positions right now. That's why I wouldn't jump into any long positions for now. I'm already set. I have over 13 positions here on Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can see Ethereum still massively in the profits. Uniswap also very good in the profits. Besides that, I have many other altcoins positions. Some of them are in the profits. Some of them are also in the red. So you can see that's how it is to be a trader. Sometimes you have winning trades and sometimes you just have to wait patiently for the market to go back up again. I had also this short position here. We can see I made around 4k. This was a hedge position. I opened it just I think maybe 10 days ago, and could have been bigger. I would have saved some of my gains, hedged it, but right now I think the market is slowly finding a good bottom right here. Let's take a look also at the RSI here. On the 1 hourly, we are almost oversold. Let's go and check here on the 4 hourly. What is the Bitcoin RSI indicator telling us? You can see on the 4 hourly, we could have a bounce back from here because we didn't really touch the overbought zone here on the 4 hourly. We went very close to it, but we didn't manage to touch it. Here we had a nice double bottom formation. Look at this, guys. This is incredible. Exactly from where I opened my position, and this position I opened a couple of months ago already. So it's an older position, and we can see exactly from there we had a nice bounce back to the upside. And we really need right now, we can see here on the 4 hourly, still we're forming a new trend, which is definitely positively. So we can bounce back from here and go back to 115, 116, and a new all-time high very, very soon. That's what I think will most likely happen in the upcoming days and weeks and months. Now let's go over here to Ethereum and see what the Ethereum chart is telling us. Because Ethereum is the main mover for the altcoins. When Ethereum goes up, altcoins go up even harder. And for now, we can see here, Ethereum is basically just moving in this zone right here. We can see it here. We're just basically moving. We have this range right here from 4,200 up to 4,500. Ethereum is just moving in this range for now. I think we have quite good support here. We can see many times the price was holding here. So I think we will most likely hold this zone and afterwards go for a new all-time high, because we are basically just moving, building pressure and then moving to the upside. We can see also here we have some kind of a falling wedge pattern, guys. We can see this right here, and usually these patterns are quite bullish, and they usually build pressure, build pressure, build pressure, build pressure, and then they break out to the upside. The likelihood that we're gonna break the upside is very high. We can see here on the daily the trend is still there, guys. The trend is really still there. We are out of the parabolic phase, as we can see here. So this might be a little bit of a slower period, but I'm still very bullish on Ethereum and definitely on Bitcoin. Bitcoin will be millions of dollars per Bitcoin very soon, in the next 5 to 10 years, I think. So with that being said, if you're a trader like you see me do here on the VX platform, up to $30,000 in bonuses, guys. Take advantage of this opportunity and start your trading career today. make sure using my link so you get this exclusive bonus and trade. Let me know what you're buying, what you're trading, what is your strategy, and how do you use your time when the market is not so interesting. That's also very important. For me, for example, I go to the gym, ice baths, sauna, meet with friends, and just enjoy life. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time.